Once in a civilization, humanity develops a wonder. So brilliant do they shine that future generations gather in awe at the advancements they made. Well, get ready to meet our civilization's pinnacle. BMW's R1200GS is a globe-trotting, continent-crushing, two-wheeled ride of destruction. The white horse of the apocalypse, a conqueror bent on conquest, a rebellion-crushing, dictator-overthrowing, famine-ending 100-horsepower dual-sport motorcycle. It is the Alpha and Omega. The GS has been making the enduro world eat their livers for 29 years. Every time BMW releases a new model GS, engineers at KTM plunge into a deep depression. In 2004, KTM head engineer Dieter von Schneider attempted suicide by throwing himself off the Danube Tower in Austria. His life was spared when a gravity-defying GS rider rode up the tower and plucked him out of the air. Only a fool would dare try and outride a man on a GS. Many have tried, and many have failed.